If Gemini or Google Assistant is completely deactivated on your Samsung Galaxy A27 and you want to be able to use it again, all you have to do is you need to go to the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. It is pre-installed, so surely you can find it over there. Now once you open the app, then over here we have to tap on the turn on button. And now, if you want to use Gemini instead of Google Assistant, then you want to tap on Use Gemini here in the bottom right corner. If you prefer to use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, you want to tap on No Thanks. So if you do so, then you will use Google Assistant instead of Gemini. And if you decide to use Gemini, then of course you will use Gemini instead of Google Assistant. Now, besides that, you can also add the shortcut to Gemini or Google Assistant. That is usually on the power button. So usually if you press and hold the power button, then you can activate Gemini or Google Assistant. So if you want to make sure that you still have this set up, then you can open advanced features in settings, then go to the side button. Over here we have the long press option and you can choose digital assistant over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.